Hello YouTube, my name is Akshalawat and today we are going to be making a random Blender project. So what are we going to do in this project is that we are going to be making something random. Yes. So I don't know what we are actually making. So let's start with a project. So in this Blender we have our viewport shading. These are shaders. We could just change these shading options. So what are we going to do? Firstly, click add a mesh object and a cube. Then you need to scale this. Yep, scale this like that. Yes, that's my boy. Then you need to add a material to this. And add a bit of roughness here. Okay, add a bit of roughness here. Then you need to add a sphere. So UV sphere, pull that up. Then shade this smoothly. Thank you. Yes, like this. Yes. So we need light. We don't want this project. We don't want that in the renders view. Look, you cannot see anything. So we need to add light. And to add that, we need to click add light. A sun. Yes, our sun. S-O-N or S-U-N. It's S-U-N, sun. Then you need to rotate this. Either use the or shortcut key. Okay, we've done that. So now what are we going to do? Just check the render shader. Oh my god. Wait. Wait, we need to add super strength to this object. Well, look at this. This looks sick. But look, we forgot something. The background. This is just a mist. This is just a foggy place. We don't like this background. So you need to change the scene and the world. Okay, so the surface is, no, don't change the surface. A background, yes. So you need to have a image texture. Then open the image. So I'm going to be choosing a big wallpaper and open that image. So what will it do? Just simply click the renders. Wait. Did anything happen? No. And then change this to cycles. Render engine is going to be cycles. And GPU compute. Then add denoising. Yes, enable everything. Optics, open image denoise, I guess. Wait, I guess everything is not going that well. Wait. No, we don't need image texture. So you need to disconnect this, I guess. And add environment texture. We don't want image texture, sorry for that. So now add environment texture and then check these cycles render engine. Oh my god, that looks sick. So now add some shading to our little sphere as well. So what are we going to do with this sphere? Have some fun? No. We need to... its surface color should now be blue. My favorite color is blue, so just choose blue. Then it should be 100% metallic. Yep. No, it should have actually no roughness. And now it's time to go into the renders option. Yes, oh my god, that looks sick. Wait. Not like this. Something like this. Oh my god! This is sick! That's what we were going to... That is what we were going to make. So... done. Is this video over? Should we do something? Let's have some fun, I guess. I guess we need to have some fun. Play with some things. This looks real. It looks ballistic. So what did we make? We just made a ball and a cuboid, or I guess a rectangular prism. Rectangular prism like this, I guess. And that's it. So thank you for watching. So you can look at the reflections here. Yes, the ball also reflections from outside. So I get these pictures from Bing. Check that out. Oh my god, that looks sick. Remember, I made this realistic ballistic thing right here. So thank you for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe, comment down below that you love this video. Yes, look. Bye. Remember, the links in the description below. I'm going to be sharing you the links of installing Blender. By the way, this is Blender 2.93 LTS. I guess the latest version, I guess. Full form. So bye.